Here's how to hide a section on Squarespace. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on whether you want to preserve your section's code and where you want the section hidden. I'll walk you through all three methods. The first option is the simplest: save and delete the section. In your Squarespace editor, navigate to the page with the section you want to hide. Click on the section to select it. You'll see a heart icon appear in the section toolbar at the top. Click that to save the section to your library. Once it's saved, go ahead and delete the section from the page. The section disappears from your live site immediately, and if you need it back later, just go to Add Section, then Save Sections, and you'll find it there. Keep in mind, when you add it back, the section ID changes, so if you have custom code targeting that section, it'll stop working. The second method preserves the section ID by hiding with custom CSS. First, you'll need to install the Squarespace ID Finder extension for Chrome. Head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Squarespace ID Finder, and click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, the extension icon shows up in your browser toolbar. Now open your Squarespace site in Chrome. You can do this in edit mode or on the live site. Click the ID Finder icon in your toolbar, then scroll to the top of the section you want to hide. You'll see a blue sticker that shows the section's data ID. Click that sticker and the ID copies to your clipboard automatically. Next, you need to get to the Custom CSS panel. From your Squarespace dashboard, go to Website, then Pages, then Custom Code, then Custom CSS. Or, the fastest way, just press the question mark key on your keyboard, type CSS into the search box, and it'll take you straight there. In the Custom CSS editor, you'll paste a simple code snippet that targets your specific section using the ID you just copied. The code tells Squarespace to set that section's display to none, which hides it from visitors. Click Save, and the section is immediately hidden on your live site, though it should still appear in edit mode. For method 3, hiding the section on mobile only, follow the same steps to get your section ID and open the Custom CSS panel. This time, you'll use a device-specific version of the code that wraps the hiding rule in a media query targeting screens narrower than 640 pixels. Replace the placeholder with your section ID, save it, and check your site on mobile. The section stays visible on desktop but disappears on mobile devices. Method 1 is quickest for most people, but if you have custom code on that section or need to hide it only on certain devices, go with method 2 or 3. Thanks for watching.